Hi there everyone, and welcome back to FTX Guide. Today, we will talk about how to manage your balance on FTX. To see the balance of your account, go to the Balance tab at the Wallet page. You'll see how much you own in each coin in your wallet. If you want to filter your coins that you own, just click Hide Zero Balances. At FTX, we show your wallet balance in USD at the top of your wallet and your assets below. We calculate your wallet balance and open positions (P&L) every 30 seconds, allowing you to easily manage your funds. There are balance and available balance for each coin in your wallet. Balance is how much you own, and available balance is how much you own and aren't using for open positions, orders, or staking. On some occasions, users may find their balance not available. Don't worry, there are some common reasons for your balance being not available. 1. Do you have any orders open or pending? 2. Do you have assets being lent out? And 3. Do you have a negative balance in any coin or an open position with negative P&L? All of these may result in your balance being not available. The next question that comes up would likely be, what is a negative balance and how do I fix it? Some users on FTX, while having positive overall balances, have negative balances in a single coin, usually USD. For instance, a user might have 2 Bitcoins but negative 1,000 USD. Note that if you enable spot margin, there is floating interest rate for all negative balances. Eventually, FTX will sell off your non-USD collateral into USD if your USD balance is negative, and any of the following hold. If you are close to liquidation, your account's margin fraction is less than 20 basis points plus maintenance margin fraction requirement. If your negative USD balance is large, over 30,000 in magnitude. If your negative USD balance is large when compared to overall collateral, its magnitude is over 4 times larger than your net account collateral. Managing and understanding your account balance on FTX is not as hard as you think. Happy trading!